Cooking with Fatty, meat salad.
Is that the bloody weed, Jedi? I was
Who you calling we, jackass?
But you aren't more powerful than your master. What's wrong? Tired of dodging?
Does that answer your question?
I'll even use my weak hand. The old days of the Sith Army. Anger is not the way of the Jedi.
You okay? I hope you got that.
Oh, you good, bro?
Ouch!
Good. I hope you got that
Get that
on
on
film.
camera.
I think I did. You good, man?
I think I
Hey
just...
Houston, I know I've heard that you're the world's strongest bodybuilder, but let me tell you, today, meet Airsoft Fatty.
How we doing, ladies and gentlemen? Just a fair warning, we had half a gallon of water just before this, so this is going straight to the gut.
We're using a CO2 tag round explosive shell, and the world's new strongest bodybuilder here, Christopher Airsoft Fatty Tank, is going to test this in the name of science. So, good luck.
Alright, you want to do it bearskin?
Your call. I'm sorry, Chris.
Holy shit! That was right under the fucking pit!
I'm sorry, Chris.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is older than the trees, younger than the mountain, blowing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light, for so proudly we fared as the twilight's last gleaming. Oh, sorry, I got nervous, people, my bad. Let's just do this. Let's fucking do it. Ready? Let's give it another try. Let's go. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light, for so proudly we stand, while the dawn's last gleam, while the dawn's red light strikes through the perilous flight. so proudly we held. That's a bright light. I am just messing up every which way. We're gonna give it one final try. If I can't do it now,